the way down towards it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on blade 4. As he pulls up there, he's about to invertedly spin the aircraft while still going upwards. The Russians named this one Aerobatic. Now as blade 4 recovers from that out in front of us, you want to look over to the left and you'll see blades 1, 2 and 3. The smoke is about to come on as they run in for close formation twinkle rolls. Blade 4, who hates being left out, is going to join the team as quickly as possible using an old air defence trick he learned when he was in the Air Force. This is called a lag pursuit roll, and it's so that he can get back into the box formation as quickly as possible. Now Blade 4 just calling that he's back on board into box formation. The blades are coming back round for another great photo opportunity. They're going to stay in this box formation for the box bend. Now as the team fly away from us, the command's going to be given